Welcome back to our new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to off pocket mode camera setting in Redmi 10 phone. How to off these settings today I am going to tell you about, guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and do like my videos, guys. Please like and share. So now let's start video friends. First of all, open your camera, and guys, after guys you can see this line. So guys, we will click here setting option, we have to click, guys. So click, scroll guys. After guys you can see pocket mode, you want to off, so guys you off. Setting option, pocket mode has offed. So I think guys you have understood how to off pocket mode option camera setting in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.